Hey guys, it's Tuesday afternoon here in Ellsworth, and if you remember from the before video, this wall was you could see daylight right through it, and it was hollow. So we pumped it full. It is one solid corner all the way through the corner there. It took a ton of concrete, but we got it, and then we shot the rest inside here. Looks very nice, really good. And then I will show you the outside here, what we did. Here's the outside. Got the front of the barn done here. And then this whole bank wall. And if you remember this bank wall, it was, I'm not lying when I'm telling you, there's up to 1.5 feet, 2 feet of concrete in some of these spots. Got Matt down there right now filling in some big holes. Spots we were missing big chunks of wall here, so we did throw some rock in there, but it's mostly concrete. It is full and solid. Should have no more problems. That's it. Guys getting all packed up, and we're going to get out of here.